Yes, so to the best of my knowledge, I think it collapsed for the first time in May 2021, and it was repaired then. I'm not sure if it was on both sides of the road, but it's related to the same underlying issue, which is the fact that the main reef, which is one of the main historic gold-bearing, lithology layers in Johannesburg, crops out here. And historically, it's been mined for probably since the 1880s, I would imagine. Now, I'm not sure exactly when mining stopped here, and there's a kind of a question mark as to whether the collapses are related to improperly rehabilitated mining infrastructure, so incline shafts, stopes, and so on, or whether it's the so-called Zama, the informal miners, their ongoing mining operations, and sort of during heavy rainfall, uh, sand and soil collapses into or runs into those voids, and eventually it propagates up and it causes sinkholes on the road. So this is now the second time that it's happened. So you can repair it, but like in a couple of years' time, it's going to happen again because it just keeps going into these voids. There's only, like, you can plug it at the top, but if you don't plug it at the bottom, it's just going to run into the bottom, and eventually another sinkhole is going to open again. And that's what happened there. That's what happened here. So there's a lot of voids in this part of Snake Road. So you've got the main geotechnical engineer, Geopractica, as you can see over there. They've contracted in a geotech drilling company to do probe drilling to see where the voids are. Yeah. And we're the geophysical services company, and we're doing a survey on the right-hand side of the road to give them an idea as to the depth to bedrock, which is important to the geotechnical engineers. Saw this when I was here in December 2025. I'm not sure when it opened up. So I'm not sure when it was repaired. So it's lasted 3 or so years. Who knows whether it was a 100% competent or effective repair, or whether it was always going to happen.